Hi, it's Dave. Have you ever wanted to arm your security system when you have a window open, or perhaps you have a sensor that's not working, so you have a fault in the system? Today I'm going to show you how I do that. So make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload more videos. In order to arm my system when I have a fault in the system, the first thing I have to do is identify which zone has the fault. So I hit the asterisk key here, and it tells me that I have a fault in zone number 4. So now I'm going to arm the system by first bypassing that zone. So I put in my code, and then I hit 6 for bypass, and then I hit that zone number, 04. Now I've bypassed that zone. Now I can arm the system normally by putting in my code and then hitting stay or away. Now my system's armed, but it's skipping that zone, zone number 4. Thanks a lot for watching.